Most people think that you need a lot of money to start a tech business, but I started with just two phones, worth $100, and I turned it into $500. Hey guys, my name is Dawood, co-owner of YTech Limited. I created this channel to document my journey in the tech business and review gadgets. Now let's go back to 2024, where everything started. I had just been fired from my job. I didn't know what to do next. I felt lost. So I started researching, trying to understand how tech stores get phones and sell them for a profit. Then I discovered something interesting. A lot of stores import their phones from China and Dubai. But that raised the question, from who? That's what I'll reveal in part 2. Subscribe if you want to see how I found the suppliers.